Everyone tells you that starting keto makes you feel like garbage. They call it the keto flu, headaches, fatigue, brain fog. And because of that, most people quit within the first week. Here's the truth. The keto flu is not a mandatory initiation. It is simply a sign that you are mismanaging your electrolytes. When you cut carbs, your body sheds water and vital minerals at an incredible rate. You aren't sick. You are deficient. If you want to survive the transition without feeling like death, you stop being reactive. You increase your sodium, you supplement magnesium, and you prioritize potassium. You don't need a cheat meal to feel better. You need to stop flushing your minerals down the toilet. If you can't handle 1 week of discomfort for a lifetime of metabolic freedom, then you don't deserve the results. Stop whining about the transition and start managing your chemistry. Elite performance requires an elite understanding of how your body functions. I am Keto Wilk. Adapt or stay the same.